Alright guys, here we are at the latest auction offering, 99 Cinerama Crescent, McCrae. Tell them about it, Shane.
Thanks, Adam. One thing we get asked for every time we list a home in McCrae, does it have a view? Well, unequivocally, this has one of the best views on the Mornington Peninsula. Let's go take a look. Once you enter in from the street, the true appeal of this property starts once you enter the main living area. Spread over 3 levels, it is an absolute entertainer's delight. Well guys, thanks for taking a look. We'll sure you'll be as impressed in person as you are by the video.
Open for inspections will be on Saturday with the auction, October the 13th.